Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, right, I'm gonna talk about why so many make money online courses fail people, right? You see it all the time. Like it's like actually like a normal thing for people to get a course and not make any money, right? It's like a normal thing, right? And once you get into the game, now I've been involved with making money online, internet marketing, all that good stuff since 2007. All right, 2007. So that's what's that? 14 years. Dang, it's been a long time. So like I'm very familiar with seeing program after program. Like every week is like a new money making program, right? So it makes you start to think like, okay, if all these courses out here teaching people how to make money online, how come more people aren't making money online? Something ain't right. Something just ain't right. So as somebody who's been involved with this for years, like I have my own little take on it. And a lot of times, you know, people who promote make money online courses and create these courses, usually they blame it on the buyer. A lot of times they blame it on the buyer, right? It's never really on the seller, right? Because people say, well, you didn't do the stuff that we told you about in the course. You know, you didn't follow through, or you didn't, you know what I'm saying, you didn't take action, all that stuff, right? Which in some cases, that is the case. You know what I'm saying? Some things are laid out. If you don't follow the steps, you don't do nothing, no course is going to help you. That's no different than you going to college, learning all this stuff. You graduate, but you never even, you know, try to get a job. You never even try to apply, you know, what you learned in school, right? So it's the same type of concept. But to be fair, a lot of these courses, right, even the high end courses, it's their fault. And I'm gonna tell you why. Keep it real, right? So many courses, especially now, even on YouTube, you see it everywhere. Facebook, YouTube, because everybody's running ads, right? First of all, keeping it real, anytime you see an ad being run on Facebook or YouTube, and it sounds really, really good, and it sounds really, you know, cheap and all that, just be aware that the end game is going to be a high-end sale. Now, whether the course is good or not, that's a whole nother story. But anytime you see an ad on YouTube or Facebook, even Instagram, I would say 9 out of 10 times, it's to get you into some sort of funnel to ultimately you're going to be pitched $1,000 product to a $5,000 product, maybe even more, right? So just be aware of that every time you see these things. Okay, now that is marketing. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But the problem is there's so many, like, it sounds weird, but good sales copy, and it's very, very misleading, right? And this is why I feel so many people fail when it comes to these make money online courses, because it's the gimmicks that they use. Like so many of these courses, you look at them and they're like, oh, make, you know, $30,000 every day, right? And great, maybe there are people who can do that, but the key is, like, what does it take to do it, right? And the problem that most courses have, they make it seem way too easy. So for somebody new to the game, they'll look at this stuff and they'll be like, oh, all I got to do is send 3 emails and that's it, right? That's it. That's what's portrayed on these sales pages. But then once you get into the course, you realize that, like, whoa, I gotta do this. What happened to the sales letter? What happened to the? It only take 20 minutes a day. What happened to the? It don't cost nothing to start. What happened to? I don't have to contact nobody. What happened to? I don't have to build a website. What happened? And then once you get into these courses, it's like, gotcha, got them, right? And a lot of people, they first reaction is I'm getting a refund, which in some cases is hard to get. And then other cases, they're just like, forget it. I just got scammed. I'm going back to my 9 to 5. I ain't even trying no more, right? And that's what happens to a lot of people. You know why? Because a lot of these courses are extremely misleading, right? And they're not what they portray to be. And some courses, right, are actually legit and they actually help people. They actually, if you follow the steps, right, you could make the money that is claimed, right? But the key is find programs that don't over exaggerate possibilities, right? And when you get the course, they give you steps that make sense. They give you content that actually match the sales letter. Because I think a lot of the gurus, a lot of people selling high-end products or courses, honestly, their whole thing is just to get that sale. Say whatever. It don't matter. Say whatever to get the sale. Then they worry about all the other stuff after the fact. But they want that $1,000, $5,000. And that's ain't nothing wrong with that. That's part of the game. We all in it to make money. But if you're, once people get the course, they realize it ain't nothing like the sales letter. That ain't cool. You know what I'm saying? So I'm starting to do a lot more videos. I'm going to start doing a lot more videos where I look at courses and I find out, like, I look, doing research, find buyers to see what they're really saying about these courses, because there's real reviews out there on pretty much every course, right? So I'm going to actually start doing videos, looking at different courses and programs and letting you know what real buyers are saying. And then also my take on it, my opinion. Because remember, I've been seeing courses for the last 14 years, right? I've bought really good courses and I've bought trash courses, right? So I'm going to start doing that. And for my subscribers or people who watch who care about my opinion or take my opinion, serious or whatever, I'm going to start doing that and then let you take what I come up with and do what you do. Because it's just, man, it's crazy to see how many people blowing money. I don't want to say getting scammed, but I'll just say highly misled by so many different programs. But there are some good ones out there, like there really are. But it is what it is. So if you always look in my description of my video, there's 2 courses that I always promote, right? Why? You might be thinking, oh, here your sales pitch. Nah, I'm just keeping real. The YouTube course I always talk about, the YouTube monetization and automation course, right? That's the course I actually bought, and it actually helped me make money on YouTube, right? It actually did. It's legit on that level, right? So that's a course I recommend for anybody trying to get into video marketing or making money on YouTube, right? It's a pretty long course, right? And then there's Wealthy Affiliate. That's for anybody who's in affiliate marketing, because I talk about affiliate marketing a lot. And Wealthy Affiliate, you see a ton of people promote this program. And I think a reason why so many people promote it is because it's just like a community. It's just straight training, period. It's not all gimmicky. It's not like, oh, make $30,000 in 20 minutes. It ain't like that, right? It's an actual place where you go for training, almost like an online university type vibe. That is a place I recommend for people who really want to get into affiliate marketing and make it a home business, right? So I recommend those 2 things all the time, right? Because I know they're legit and I know it can help people if they follow the steps in the courses, right? Last time when I looked at the YouTube course, it was, I think, is anywhere between $300 and $400. He always be changing the price. I don't know what he changes. I don't know, but it's well worth it. Keeping it real. Now, Wealthy Affiliate, if you want to get started with that, you can do Wealthy Affiliate absolutely free. But the free actually limits you. You can only get so much training, which is understandable. But then they have a upgrade that when you feel comfortable, for $50, you can jump in with Wealthy Affiliate, and you can actually you sign up through me. You have actually direct contact with me, and you can ask me questions on that platform all the time, and I can work with you and help you out in any way I can. But that is an upgrade, and it's $50 a month. I think they say 49, but it's $50 a month to become a Wealthy Affiliate member. But that's for people who want to really I want this. You know what I'm saying? So those are the two that I always recommend to people. And there's always other programs here and there, but those are concrete programs. All right. So you can check those out. Obviously, link in the description if you're interested in any of those things. Just take a look. But yeah, I'm gonna start really, breaking down my thoughts on all of these big time, high ticket, even low ticket, money making programs, and just give you my take on it. All right. So hopefully you enjoy these coming up. I got a lot of them coming. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.